So one of the most significant things I think is allowing myself and others at our laboratory to be able to forge connections with other researchers that may have been working on a similar project that we either weren't aware of or we're having maybe trouble with that project. And we're able to kind of help them and guide them using the techniques that we've developed here.
So what we also add to the paper is not only a reduced cost in library preparation, but also a protocol in user-friendly platforms with like a nice interface. So technicians can actually do part of the analysis and come up with, we think this is the species that is causing the disease. And we think those are the antimicrobial resistant genes that this particular isolate has. And then it can come to the clinicians and discuss with them and see if it makes sense with the clinical presentation. So it's a way to really also help technicians to do part of this analysis, especially the ones that do not have any bioinformatics knowledge.
I spent a lot of time for our lab to optimize it. It was a lot of work to dig through the literature and all the stuff. And in the end, I thought if everybody else has to do that, it doesn't make any sense. So if I share the data, if I share my knowledge, if I share my protocol, maybe somebody else will benefit from that. And
it definitely put it more on the map. I was kind of laboring away in obscurity when I worked on bacteriophages because not too many people in the general population have very much of an interest in that. But now my mother's proud of me because I was on the front page of the New York Times not too long ago. So she's like, "Good job, John."
If you manage to create something new, it's gonna stay forever. More than a specific really good article, more than 1 degree. The methods and the way you do things is what truly passes on.